Okay, now I'm about to start the Titebond mixture. Titebond 3, Ultimate Wood Glue. I have water. I have substrate. I'm going to start with this part first. I probably should have like vacuumed this stuff out. I'm gonna add the water first. I'm going to saturate the substrate. Add a little bit more substrate. There's a lot of water here. I think I poured in too much, but that's no biggie. Little piece of moss. Get that back in there. Let's add this Titebond. Oh, this stuff was sealed pretty hard. This nice, pale, creamy look to it. I don't feel like getting my hands dirty. That's a Saturday. I think I should just add most of this stuff to it. You want to save it. It's a small bottle. I need to just order me a nice big gallon of this stuff. Because when I go into my mode, I just want to be locked in. I don't have to go to Home Depot and waste money buying one small container at a time. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. One thing I can say about this stuff, it definitely doesn't have that silicone smell to it. And then when you add the water, it actually smells less harsh than regular glue. Alright, now I'm going to start applying. I like the thin layers. I don't like to add it in too thick. I like to drain a lot of the water out. Should have cleaned the glass. Drain the water out and you can use more. I think the rocks would be cool. A little effect that I'll have. I'm just going to start giving you guys the full build, like every part of it. So that way you can see exactly what's going on. Not the before and after and all that other stuff. The full thing. I still have a lot of like Titebond, a lot of the mixture left. So I'm going to just go get some more supplies from my basement. I might just run to the store and go get some peat moss. I think I could cover a lot of this like in one session. I'm glad I have this nice big memory card. Let me move this here closer. The bucket so I don't get this Titebond all over the floor. And good thing I don't have hardwood floors right now, but soon. I'll definitely definitely hate to spend a bunch of money on floors, and I have this stuff all over the floors. And I need to really clean this glass. I'm gonna clean this glass really great. Where I made these big holes at, like the hiding holes, I think I'm gonna have to use silicone around them, because I have to pack like too much Titebond. Who gives you guys real coverage? Come on, man. Most people might not watch all of the video, but whatever. These videos are gonna be hot on the press. Still have a decent amount of Titebond left. So I'm almost like, I'd say halfway done. It's a process, but the longest process is the drying process. You want to have those like thin layers, so that way it doesn't like break off. And you also can just pour what's left onto the background when you're done. Looks like I'm going to need some more. I like the little pieces of gravel that I see. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to do like a rock or gravelly background for some desert animals, you can use Titebond with sand, because you won't see any of the white parts unless you use like the Titebond directly on. I'm not gonna lie, I might just leave this. Let's see. I might just leave these little hide holes black. Might leave certain parts black. Taking shortcuts here. I don't think I'm losing out by adding more. I think I'll just be wasting more time. Hey, I might even go all the way to the top. And I really wish that I was a plant guy, because you guys are the best. I just don't have the time. Pour the rest in. You want to get every part every part inside. Saturate it with the water, saturate it with the Titebond. Some of these areas are gonna be hard to get going. I might miss a few spots, but I think I can miss a few spots. Only because I'm using the black foam. I don't like this stuff in here. But if I was using the regular gray stuff, I'd be very anal about missing spots. Put a good a good Beamsworks LED on here. Beamworks, sorry, I keep saying that wrong. Might look real good. Get in that area. Rockage up here, and I see some clay that I was actually using. I don't care if I miss a lot of the spots. They're probably just going to get covered anyway. And whatever I miss in this small corner, I'm just going to pour this in because this is going to take forever to dry. And if you don't believe me, try it yourself. I get a lot of people asking me, oh, it hasn't dried yet. Like, it takes days, probably about 5 days. So you have to be real patient when you use Titebond. Really, really patient. I need to find substrate. Yeah, like this top line here, since it's so lumpy, I'm either going to leave it or just use, I'll put a little bit of this in. So it hardens. I'm either going to leave it or use silicone. Like I hear some people say like the silicone smell does not go away, or it doesn't go away for weeks. I've heard all types of crazy stuff. It's just a more detailed application process. And it smells. Not the worst smell in the world, but you'll smell it. Especially if you have a small area. And this is a big area, so it's not so bad. I'm just going to pour the rest of this. Looks like, you know, when you're done eating cereal, like some cookie crunch. I'm just gonna pour it on. Some areas. Can't really pour it directly, but whatever. Alright, so that is it for this portion of the video. I'm gonna have to break this video up into 2 videos, so you know, be prepared, stay tuned. Let's go inside real quick. Alright, you see? So I have to get in like this little corner here. I really don't have to. That's the thing. Make sure nothing is here. I may be able to leave this stuff. So I'll be back in a few days. So until next time, like, don't dislike, comment, subscribe, and enjoy your frogs. Thank you.